This is a demonstration on multi-device synchronization with iWave's ZU49DR based RFSoC PCI card. So we have two ZU49DR based PCI cards from iWave. We have connected the ADC and DAC between two channels across the board, and one cable is connected as a loopback on each board. On this side we have an external clock generator which is generating 5 MHz going through a power splitter and connected to two boards. We have another cable going from the DAC from both the boards to the CRO. The boards are connected in a master-slave configuration. We have a capture and play trigger which is connected from the master to the slave board. Now we are going to show the terminal side where we are enabling This is the DAC output before enabling the synchronization. On the PC side, we will capture the waveforms for the loopback and the board-to-board connections. On the PC side, we'll run the capture command and copy the captured waveforms to the PC. And then run the script in Octave to visualize the waveforms on board 1 and board 2. On the Octave side, we can visualize the waveforms from board 1 and board 2 as well as all the waveforms from both the boards. We can see that the signals are not synchronized. Now we are enabling the MTS on both the boards. We are going to run the DAC and ADC captures again after enabling the MTS synchronization. As you can see, the DAC synchronization can be seen on the CRO. On the Octave side, we can run the capture command and then copy the files onto the host PC. So we'll run the same script again to visualize all the captures. We can see the board 1 and board 2 with loopback and the board-to-board connections are synchronized, and on the right side we can see all the signals from both the boards synchronized. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.